update. 2.5. This is 2.5. It launches a model like this. Oh, you know what? It's pulling old data. Let me just see. Let's see. Refresh this real quick so I could show you. This is what it looks like. Perfect swap. But also I have this version 1 running too, and version 1 running works. Like it'll send the offer, and but version this one looks kind of cool, but it's almost too complex. This is a version 0.25, and it also gets that it's almost too complex. We want perfect swap to be easy, simple. So like it built a pretty cool UI for everything, but the end logic doesn't work either. But what did into we cannot have both wants and haves at the same time. So, we're upgrading. Now, version 2.5, I like what it does on top over here, but we're modifying it to completely to making it smaller, quick, easy, accept version 3. But in the meantime, what's going on here is I'm noticing too that once a trade is completed, because there's a version 1 legacy kind of system we're running off on. Version 1 legacy system is manually select that you don't have it and want it anymore. So we're trying to run some kind of code that once see, that's how 2 would look. Once freaking, what should we call it? I forgot what I was gonna say. That's hilarious. Oh yeah, no. Once the trade is completed, both the seller and the buyer exchangeries would automatically have their one and have removed from that blue card. So we kind of have this. We're going back and forth with ChatGPT, and he's like, "Yeah, bro, we probably shouldn't make Lovable do this because this is quite precisionary stuff." So then I'm going back and forth with him, and we're about to inject a situation where it might work or it might crash our whole project, and I'm down with it. We'll see. Updated, I think this is the current one, right? Better check. Yeah. Okay, so basically what he's telling me to fucking just run it. And he's like, your schema is consistent, you have prep. And I can clearly see trade type, market perfect, because we have 3 different types of trades in our market type in our blueprint, right? We have 3 different types of trading inside our blueprint category, and then the market is a completely different. And I didn't want anything to happen to my market, so I confirmed him that the market's working fine tuned like a V8 engine. So I kind of prompted him, like, make sure she's good. So now we're gonna copy this code, go to freaking Lovable, and inject it right here, and hope for the best. Launch it, publish it, and run it. Okay. Fingers crossed, boys. Run. Oh shit, I already thought it failed. Alright, run away, boy, run away. Okay, query succeeded, no rows returned. That is actually a very good sign. That means it's doing something. Doing something. Alright. Now let's go ahead and just freaking see how everything's looking. Do I need to publish? No, it's up to date, so we fixed it in the back end. So in theory, let's see how this works with this. Boom. And there's another freaking guy over here. Where is he? Over here. Boom. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just kind of flush everything and see if this actually works, because I'm myself curious. Yeah, I was talking about adding that, maybe I could, that little button for fucking debug mode. Okay. Okay. Fresh market. Let's see if this actually works. Mark all. Footprints. Cool. Okay. Let's do something fun. You know what? I like a snap hook. What can I say? I like a snap hook. I don't have one yet. So this user is gonna have it, and he wants this, and over here is this and this. Okay, in theory, notifications fired. Boom, boom. Why the fuck did 4 fire? Oh, this must be old. Okay. So he would get a notification. Perfect swap. What did you say? 20-second real perfect swap. I think these are old notifications, honestly. But anyways, you go back to blueprints too, because this is a new system we invented here. It shoots a notification, and this is the version 3 now too. So you just refresh this bitch, boom, and it would show your swap completed, boom, and it shows you that. And so I cannot trade right now because the 2.5 is fucking broken, but we could do it through this way. One trade, propose trade sent. This guy's over here, he's chilling, killing. Oh yeah, we'll take that back. Let's see, let's go make sure everything's working. Yeah, complete trade, boom. Oh, that's the old one. Completed. So now that they're both completed, in theory, with that function we ran, who the hell is the third guy? That's funny. I guess we could check players. Oh, that's funny. In theory, it should have removed my snap hook. Didn't do shit. Did not do shit. Interesting. What about this guy? That's great. Right, this tray. Lower grade, yeah, for a snap hook. Yeah, everything went smooth. Maybe we gotta fire it after. Maybe this is the final frontier, leaving a review. Blueprints. Nah, nothing. So it is not firing the way it should. It wants to fire. Okay. Well,